Sticking with our common errors within Intacct, here is another one that we see time and time again. So I'm trying to put in a general journal entry and I have my posting date as December 1st, 2023. Just have generic information in down here. And if I try to post, I get an error pop up that tells me that my transaction date is within a period that has been closed. And this is, system functionality that we want. We do not want users to be posting into closed periods. So there's, 3 different scenarios here where maybe your posting date is simply incorrect and it needs to be changed for you to enter in that transaction. Or you could go back and, open GL or maybe just your sub ledgers if you're putting something into those and, record those transactions. Or you could make an adjustment entry to keep a record of those changes. So we don't want users posting into closed periods. We want that error to pop up. There's another error that is similar, not exactly the same, but it says the summary you're trying to modify is closed. Same idea. Intacct just doesn't want users posting into closed periods and, it makes sense. So very common one that we see pop up is this, and there are your fixes for that. Hopefully this helps. And as always, like and subscribe.